Hey guys, let's paint and play with CD. Hey guys, are you ready? Okay. One, two, three. Yay! Wow, it's a cute unicorn cake. So, today we'll learn how to paint this unicorn cake. Okay? Hey Catty, come here. It's the time to paint and play. Okay, Catty, let's make a line with all the gems. Yes, you have done it. Thank you, Catty. Okay, so now, where are the colors? Yes. Brush pens. Wow, so nice. So let's start coloring. We'll start with pink color. Let's paint the horn first. Add some pink at the bottom cream. Wow, it's looking good. Okay, now we'll paint with blue. Yes, put the same blue to the outer parts of the ear. Wow, it's looking nice. Let's paint it sea blue. At the top cream. Yay! It's almost done. Let's paint with yellow at the face of this unicorn cake. Yes, it's almost done. Now we will paint with light pink at the inner parts of the ear. Wow, it's looking nice. Finally, we will paint with purple at the base of this cake. Wow, it's looking so cute. Let's paint the cherry with red color. Wow! And paint these two cute little hearts. Yay! Our cute unicorn cake is ready. Let's have fun. Thanks for watching.